Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to reduce the file size of your spreadsheet on the numbers application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the numbers application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the numbers application, which I see on screen. Click on this. Let's just wait for that to load now. Let's go to File, go to Open. This should take us to the desktop where we see work.numbers. Click on this now. Let's go to Open. Wait for that to load. And now what we will do, before we do anything, let's now go to the desktop, click on work.numbers, right click, get information. As we can see, this is a 1 MB file which we will look to reduce by, let's just say, 70%. Now let's go to File, go to, once we click back onto the numbers application spreadsheet, go to File, go to Reduce File Size. So now what we will do is go from 793 to 109. If we need to, we can either reduce a copy or reduce this file. Let's reduce a copy so we keep the original with us. Work.numbers, let's just change this to work1.numbers and save. This will save to the desktop. Now if we focus on the desktop, go to work1.numbers, go to get information. And there we go. Let's go back to the original file. Now we can see the difference going from 903 to 220 kilobytes. If we, let's just say, had a massive file, it would make sense to reduce by 75% in order to save that space. So we can now quit get the information once, twice, go back to the numbers application, quit numbers. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.